Good morning, my dear children. Last class we studied about the American War of Independence and French Revolution. Today, let's begin our class with a new topic, the Latin American Revolution. The Latin America consists of the South and Middle America and West Indies Islands. Look in your textbook. There is a poem written by Pablo Neruda. The poem points to the impact of colonial rule in Machu Picchu, one of the Spanish colonies. What all can you find out from this poem? This poem reveals that the Spain looted the resources of the people of Latin America, and also they destroyed the traditional culture of Latin America. Then, how did the Europeans establish their power over Latin American countries? The Europeans looted the wealth and the resources of Latin American countries, and even they erased their traditional culture. The official language of the Latin American countries is Spanish. Why was a European language widely spread in Latin America? We already find out Latin America consists of the South, Middle America and the West Indies Islands. During the 16th and 17th centuries, the Portugal and the Spanish established their colonies in Latin America. The Spanish and the Portuguese belong to the Latin language family and have close proximity with the Latin. So this region is called as Latin America. They introduce the official language of most of the Latin countries is in Spanish. After colonizing the entire Latin America, the Spanish and the Portuguese propagated their language, religion and customs there. That means they started to establish their supremacy over Latin America. That means they introduced their language and also they propagated their language, religion and customs. So automatically the Latin American people lost their traditional culture. Okay. They built houses and churches in Spanish styles. In order to impart the Spanish education in Latin America, they introduced many schools. And also, they introduced the Spanish farming methods and crops in Latin America. Then, this was the condition of Latin America under the Spain and Portugal. And now we can find out what were the reasons behind the Latin American revolutions. First reason, they took away gold and silver from the Latin American mines. Who took away? The Spain and Portugal took away the gold and silver from Latin America. Latin America is famous with its gold and silver. Second point, they were never allowed the peoples of colonies to engage in trade with other countries. They were not allowed to trade with other countries. Third point, the things produced in Spain were not allowed to produce in Latin America. Next point, people had to work in hazardous or dangerous situation in the mines without any safety measures. Then, at last, the Spain enslaved the natives to work in their plantations. All these reasons irritated the people of Latin America, and slowly they started to revolt against this Spain. Then we already find out the French Revolution influenced the other European countries. The success of American War of Independence and the French Revolution inspired the Latin American people also. Then Latin American people started to fight against the European countries. One by one, they were liberated from the clutches of Spain and Portugal. Then, in that time, so many leaders came forward. The leaders like Francisco Miranda, Simon Bolivar, and Jose de San Martin. Then, among these, Simon Bolivar, he is known as the liberator, and he liberated many Latin American countries like Venezuela, Ecuador, Colombia, and Peru from the Spain and Portugal. And he was also known as the George Washington. He is known as liberator, and also he is known as George Washington. Another famous leader was Jose de San Martin. He is known as the protector, and also he also liberated countries like Argentina and Chile. So we find out that the great works of the leaders and also the problems faced by the Latin American people led to the Latin American Revolution. At last, in the year 1825, almost all the Latin American colonies became free. Okay, this session is over. Thank you.